The data that we actually got was very insightful. We surveyed our students, and before we could survey them, we came up with an idea to have a focus group. So what we did was we took a smattering of different kids from each grade level, and then our literacy specialist, Amy Rudd, actually sat down and talked with them and really asked them a question, and they told her what their honest response were or was. And what she did was, from there, she wrote all their responses and sent it out to the entire staff so that we could actually look at what does it mean to be a Ready Schools and what are some of the anxieties that they may have. Because sometimes when you say Ready Schools, you're thinking you're only talking about preschool to kindergarten or, say, 5th grade to 6th grade transitions. In some of our research, we had found that it really wasn't about that. It was about transitioning from grade to grade. And so based on the kids' responses, we took it from there and we planned something which was called the Moving Up Day. And that actually came as a response from one of the articles that we had read too. And the premise is to really alleviate any kind of fears that the kids would have from moving and transitioning from one grade level to another. And through that survey and that interview process that Mrs. Rudd did, we found that some of the kids were anxious. I'm worried about the next year's teacher. I'm worried that I won't know the curriculum, or I won't know how to go into my locker, and things of that nature that we take for granted, but really looking at it from a kid's point of view and the kid's vision, it really gave us something to reflect upon. And then we were able to build on that. And we did that within an hour, and we invited preschool parents in as well as anyone else in the building that wanted to participate. So we had parents that came because we think that they need to be a part of this transition so that they can hear before an open house what's to be expected in their child's next grade. So it was very successful. We look forward to doing it again next year.